Do not buy this if you enjoy having the hiccups. Said literally no one ever. I actually had one of my patients tell me about this a few months back and forgot all about it until I seen it on TikTok. She absolutely raved about it, so I knew that it worked before I got it. I've only had to use it one time on my son since having it, and it did work almost instantly. It has a cap that you can adjust to a child or an adult, so it works for both. And it also comes with a carrying case. That way you can keep it in your bag and you can just take it, because you really never know when you're going to get the hiccups. It seems like they always happen at the worst time possible. All you do is place a straw in a small glass of water, take a few sips, and they're gone. I don't know all the magic behind it because it works, and that's all that matters to me. I'll link it above my name.